Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some pretty fall and winter hair ideas. We start off with this beautiful Pixie bob. I love this bright orangey red color that she has here. So beautiful. Here's how the color looks in the sun. And then we move right into a pixie haircut transformation. She also has a bit of a pixie bob here. Some blonde color going there at the top. And then we move into a big chop transformation. So she does have some blue hair color going here. Ooh, very chic pixie style. She has her natural texture here. Beautiful pixie cuts. Love, love, love this one. And then here we have another pixie hair idea. Now she's got the shaven sides for this one, two-toned color. This is more of an undercut pixie variation. And I think with the jacket and everything, definitely giving us that like fall feel, smoky eye, very pretty. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Let us know which hairstyles you are digging for this fall season. So here we have another big chop. So here she's going to be cutting off 11 inches. So her mom wants her to keep her long hair. She is ready to chop it off. I feel like she would actually look really cute with a pixie style. But of course, I would think that she should get that done by a professional stylist. So here we have another cute pixie cut. I love the two-tone black and blonde color here. This pixie also features that shaven side trend. Super cute. I love the amount of fullness that she has. And then we have another long too short. So So she has hair around the mid-back length or so. The stylist puts the hair in ponytails. She gets some color here and gets a pixie. Quite a dramatic makeover. Very nice. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. She is at the salon getting the haircuts. Looks like she did a bob with the bangs going there in the front. More of like a French girl bob cut with this one. Very nice. And then we have somebody else rocking out a pixie. Beautiful. Very nice texture going throughout. We get a nice 360 view here of this pixie. And then we have somebody else rocking the reddish color trend. So she has more of like a ginger orangey tone for this one. Beautiful bob cuts. I am just so obsessed with this color, especially for the fall. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.